Hello guys, welcome aboard this British Rail Class 455. And we're currently at Strawberry Hill.
This train is London Waterloo.
We got a double yellow aspect. Just like that. And we're about to go. We've got a very nice bin here. Can't go wrong with a good bin. Just like you can't go wrong with a good 158. But today we're on a 455 instead. We've got a 701 over there. Our enemy, because we don't like them. Then you can like window hang, bash, flail, doodle like that. We've got our friend here, he's gonna take over, say some stuff about the lovely 455. Hellfire! Well, hello there. There you go.